Welcome to Wrap It Up Auto. What happens if on the road you accidentally puncture your tire? Or maybe you have a flat tire and you can't leave your house? Well, the old way is that you have your car jack and you have to keep cranking it until it goes up, and it gets tiring. Namamanhid na yung arm mo. But now we are going to introduce to you a new way, an easier way to pull your car up, and that your arm doesn't have to suffer the consequences of, cranking up the car jack.
Tanggal mo yung gulong.
Ha?
Yung sa
Talaga?
Tapos yung automatic na jack instead na totoo niya sa bali yung sa open van. Bali, dire-diretso stop siya. Tapos pag pinatay, magpapatay, balik siya dun sa
Skirt na to, I can't see. Okay, andito. Okay.
power, ayan.
Yep. Stop.
Stop. Align mo. Okay. So, wala. Okay. Yan.
Ha? Ano ba to?
Yan. Kasi ito nakapag ito lang.